me and my friend Lizzie, were at school like a month ago, and there was this Chinese guy, not racist, but it was really funny. There was a car, and it stopped for the Chinese guy right in the middle of the road, and he yelled, "Sawe!"
With a little pink backpack. Like
yeah, he had a
backpack.
pink backpack. Like, pretend this is a backpack. He had a big backpack, and he's like, "Sawe!"
That was awesome.
I have a YouTube channel.
Lighting is awful.
Nice. I already told them in my random message.
Oh, fantastic monsters. I'm carrying Chloe. It's in the link. It's in my pants. It's in my pants. So look. No, in my pants is already in right now. Leave a comment in my pants.
Ow! Or even leave money. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Bye!